Want to start off by y'all telling them about a little something about Deja Vu, man, and what it was like?
Man, I'm gonna tell you, the Deja Vu on Simpson, man, that's just something epic that if you ain't witness it, you really couldn't hear about it until it get brought to you right now. You know what I'm saying? So, as far with the music, man, a lot of folks that, who in the mix now, or probably was in the mix, and I say around 2012, 2011, 2013, you know what I'm saying? Like, some of them made it, some of them flopped, but, a lot of big artists came up out of that motherfucker, you know what I'm saying? So, we had long days and long nights, so it's like, a lot of music got broke because it was like an after-hour spot to where the whole city would just come through that motherfucker for real, you know what I'm saying? Like, you never know, you know what I'm saying? Like, for real, like it was a show, so, I got in the mix with, some of the DJs, Tokar, DJ Dre, DJ Chameleon, I hopped in the mix with them, and shit, put my music on, they mixtapes, DJ Plug, and shit, that shit just went the way I ain't know it would go, and, we still producing, so that's what I can say it did for me, man, shouts out J Hard, shouts out Steve, shit, hey, made history.
So let me ask you, I know what the song was, but you want to let them know what track it was that you were pushing mainly? One of the main ones that you were pushing?
Oh yeah, that black on black on black.
Yeah, that black on black on black, black on black on black.
That was a song, hey, that was a song that shit, like I should say, man, I ain't even know it was gonna go to that height, you know what I'm saying? But with DJ Tokar, like you told me, man, Chop, man, you got the type of music where it's just like the radio. It get beat in their head to the point of where it's like it gonna go. It's a hit from the jump. All they need is to repeat it on it. So once he told me that what I try to do, go to even different clubs and just, pay DJs or, like I said, pay different promotional, film companies and stuff like that to just, get some